Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our deep impact blue 2017 Ford Fiesta Zetec. This car comes with the 1.25 petrol engine and a manual gearbox, which is Euro 6 compliant, returning up to 54 miles per gallon, an insurance group of 7 and a nice low mileage of just over 22,000 miles, and the car comes with full service history. As we have a look inside, the car comes really well equipped, so a few features worth mentioning. In the centre on the dashboard, you've got your satellite navigation with DAB radio and Bluetooth, and this car also has Ford's quick clear front windscreen to defrost it on a winter's morning, as well as air conditioning. And on the driver's door card there, you've got your front window switches and your controls for your folding door mirrors. Being the 5-door version, you have good access there into the back. The rear bench has 3 individual seat belts, and rear passengers also have a drinks holder there in the centre, as well as pockets in the back of the front seats. And as we open the tailgate on the Fiesta, you have the nice deep boot there with the split folding rear seats and a parcel shelf that's still in place. And underneath the boot floor, you also have the factory option that the first owner chose of the spare wheel. Externally, the car comes with daytime running lights, the 15-inch alloy wheels, and also rear parking sensors. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind, and you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we offer finance from just 10.9%. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, please give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.